Did you know that you can make your own healthy dog food with human-grade ingredients? I began my search on finding out how to make healthy dog food, homemade dog food, when I feed my dog grain-free dog food, and the price has just gone up so bad. And I knew I needed to find a way to supplement it to reduce that price. I don't want to take it away. I just want to supplement it. And so I started researching. Stay with me and find out how I did it. My plan is to continue offering my dogs the dry dog food. I don't want to take it away. I don't want to freak them out by all of a sudden they don't have their dry dog food, because the way I do my house, I just leave the dry dog food down all day long. And they don't abuse it. They eat little kibbles in the morning, and in the evening when they eat their big meal is usually when we're eating our dinner, and then they'll go over and they'll start eating their dinner. The plan is to give them a half a cup of dog food each evening as we are eating our meal in these bowls, which will slow their eating down, and so they don't get, because I'm sure it's going to taste so much better. And so they may gulp it. And I do have a Yorkie that's really, really bad. If I feed her anything soft food like that, I have to put it in that, because she'll just gulp it and then look at me and go, okay, well, is that all I'm going to get? So I do that for her anyway. My Chiweenie, we don't have any problem with, but I treat him the same. I give it to him in the same bowl. So that's what I'll do is in the evening, I'm going to offer it to him, leave their dry dog food down. So I'm not freaking them out by taking their dog food away. Now, the ingredients that I bought ran me about $15. Now I am adding nutritional yeast and turmeric to my recipe. I already had those in my cupboard, so that's not included in the price of the recipe. Okay, here we go. Here's my my ingredients that I have. So the yeast and the turmeric is what I've already had, and then we've got the kale and the spinach, the pumpkin puree, the turkey, the brown rice, the carrots, the beef liver, and there's my bowls, and there's my sourdough. I need to work it a little bit later today. Okay, I'm gonna cook this in my Instapot. That way I'll saute my meat in the same pan in the Instapot, and then I'll add my other ingredients and let it cook. And that way I only have one pot and one mess, and it should be easy. It shouldn't take so much time. And so I should be able to do that like once every 10 days with no issue. Okay, stay with me. So a good takeaway here is I've never bought that kind of ground turkey, and it has an enormous amount of water in it. Like, I'm gonna have to strain this. So I probably won't be buying that kind of ground turkey again.